Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about various mini cars here. Now let's check with me. First I have to put some water. Now I can see some parts of various cars. Okay, I bring one, put it in water, shake it strongly. បាទបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺជាប្រភេទ Monster Truck បាទប្រភេទ Monster Truck. A very nice Monster Truck. Now check the next one. Yes, 4 wheels motorbike. បាទនេះគឺជាប្រភេទម៉ូតូកង់4អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលយើងអាចធ្វើការជិះនៅ resort បាទនៅ resort ឬក៏រមណីយដ្ឋានផ្សេងៗ Check the next one. បាទ everybody នេះគឺជា Monster Truck, a cute Monster Truck. បាទ very nice, so cute. Check the next one. បាទបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវយើង check another 4 wheels motorbike. Very nice. Let's check the next one. Another interesting vehicle. បាទនេះគឺជាប្រភេទម៉ូតូធំបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នា number 40 បាទម៉ូតូធំដែលមានលេខ 40 បាទស្អាតខ្លាំង Now check the next one. Let's go to check another interesting mini cars, mini truck. បាទនេះប្រភេទជា logistic បាទ logistic truck. បាទយើងមានបាទ yellow container and green container. Let's move to the next one. Another បាទនេះ mini racing car number 8. Mini racing car number 8, everybody. Okay. Everyone, let's check another bigger truck. Put some water. បាទយើងត្រូវការដាក់ទឹកសិនអ្នកនរគ្នាបាទយើងត្រូវការដាក់ទឹក Like we can see something here. បងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាបើសិនជាចូលចិត្តនៅវីដេអូមួយនេះសូមជួយចុច like ជួយចុច comment ជាពិសេសបងប្អូនដែលមិនទាន់បានជួយចុច subscribe បាទសូមជួយចុច subscribe អ្នកមួយ This is a crane, everyone. This is a nice crane. Really cute. Very cute, so cute. បាទអានេះគឺ crane land stone. Everybody, if you like my video, please let me know by comment, like and especially subscribe to my channel. Now we check the last one. A cute racing car. A cute racing car. A cute mini racing car. នេះជាប្រភេទឡានប្រណាំងបាទតូច cute. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye, good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy.